Virtual try-on is designed to change your clothes, but what happens when AI changes something you never asked it to touch? A preview can look convincing, yet alter an assistive device, an accessory, a tattoo, or even the geometry of the scene. That is why I built DrapeProof. DrapeProof is a preservation layer for generative fashion try-on. I start with a photo, choose the item I want to try, and then mark the areas I want DrapeProof to watch. The fashion transformation is generated with Perfect Corp's YouCam Clothes Virtual Try-On V4 API. But generation is only the first step. Before checking any protected region, DrapeProof runs a global continuity gate. It compares frame geometry, body pose, visual feature correspondence, and whether protected areas can still be mapped reliably. If the preview changes too much, DrapeProof does not pretend the comparison is trustworthy. It stops local verification and tells me the preview changed too much. When continuity passes, DrapeProof verifies every protected region using deterministic image measurements. Each area is shown as preserved, needs review, or changed, with technical evidence available separately. Then comes preserve mode. If a region needs attention and restoration is eligible, I can explicitly choose restore from original. DrapeProof copies the protected content from my original photo, blends it into a separate preserved version, and verifies the region again. It will refuse to restore when doing so could interfere with the fashion change or when the geometry is not reliable. In this controlled example, the protected region goes from changed to restored and then preserved. The original AI output is never overwritten. Every session can finish with a DrapeProof Passport, which separates what YouCam generated, what DrapeProof verified, and what DrapeProof restored. Beyond Clothes V4, the product also integrates YouCam Bag Virtual Try-On V2 and optional Skin Analysis V2.1 as an additional visual appearance signal, not as medical diagnosis or identity verification. DrapeProof is built with Next.js and Vercel, Neon Postgres, private Vercel blob storage, and a secured Python computer vision worker. The idea is simple. AI should change what I ask it to change and leave the rest of me alone. DrapeProof. Try the look, keep what makes you, you.